Just picked up the U-Haul trailer.
The full vehicle trailer. We're gonna need it for our new build that we're picking up. Stay tuned for that. It's gonna be like a 2-hour drive to Atlanta.
That's good.
We made it. There goes Copart.
Good old Copart.
Gotta pull in. Copart. Let's go get the new build.
Load her up, Jimbo. They popped that bumper on it. What's it saying?
This looks, the hood's not damaged.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Where's them? Oh, they shrunk wrapped it.
Doors are in there. Don't open it. Don't open it.
Oh yeah, we won't open that. Bumpers on it. Subaru exhaust. Oh man, this thing is clean. This thing is clean, guys. What's it looking like over there?
It looks good. The doors aren't damaged. You know?
Yeah.
It looks clean.
Dang, man, it's clean. I love it.
Look at the flat bottom steering wheel. It's pretty sick.
Yep. What about the rear bumper? Is it good?
Oh yeah, ain't nothing wrong with it.
I mean, it's ours now. I hope nothing's damaged under here. Which it does. Oh, it's a little bit damaged right there, I think. I'm not sure though.
Probably, just we can't mess with it.
We'll have to see later.
There's a side skirt that goes there. We probably have to tape this or take it off completely. But I don't know.
They probably zip tied it or something. Is the keys in
Yeah,
it?
they zip tied this. Yeah, the keys are in it. I've seen it.
Yo, Subi gang, officially, this thing is clean. You got a ton of parts back there. I can't wait to just dig into it. I can't wait to pop the trunk, see what's back there. Hopefully the tail lights, hopefully another headlight. But dude, this thing is immaculate. I love the color on it. It's like a, I don't know what you'd call it, like a gunmetal or something, man. It's beautiful. I love the headlight. Man, this thing is just immaculate. Got the WRX badge there. Super clean on the inside, super clean.
All right, let's strap her up.
Just made it back. We're about to unload this thing. So we're gonna unload it right quick and then we're gonna take this trailer back. All right, he just got in here. I'm gonna try to start it up for the first time. Haven't checked the oil, but we're not gonna run it too long. Let's hear that cold start. Got the check engine light on for some reason. We'll figure it out. All right, come on back. Straight back. Hey, let's pop this trunk. Let's see what's going on.
Oh, we got a headlight.
Nice, nice,
Oh,
nice. Oh, we got a tail light, bro.
We got a mirror. Perfect condition.
Bro.
Oh. Let's see.
Dude, I'm sure we got everything in here. Tell me that's good.
Oh, dude, perfect headlight.
Score.
Nothing wrong with
Score.
it. Woo.
That's awesome, dude. Then we got another tail light in here.
Oh, don't do that.
Oh, yeah, you gotta be real careful. Yeah, true. Got the little glass. Man, we got everything.
They took the whole doors apart nicely. So
that dude, I'm
That's
grateful.
perfect.
I'm grateful for whoever done this. Look at this. Whatever they labeled it.
Probably some shop that they took it to.
Yeah.
To get an estimate on it. So
Yeah, so
we're good. We're golden, man.
golden, man. Saving money. That's the biggest repair right there, which is a small repair.
Yeah, that's nothing. They just gonna have to pull this out right here, and then this is gonna have to get bondoed. That's gonna have to get pulled out, door straightened up.
And then get
That's
a new
about
door,
it. Yeah,
probably. Oh, I
it.
wonder if this is
We're
the
just
front
gonna-
door.
Yeah. We're gonna have to pull everything out.
We may need 2 new doors, but
Yeah, we might.
go ahead and pop it. Shoo-wee. That's good right there. All right, so now we're gonna go take the trailer back. and we'll be back here doing a little bit more unraveling. Just got back, guys, but it's pouring down rain, so we're just gonna cover it up and probably get right back out here tomorrow. All right, guys, so we couldn't wait, so we said screw it. We pulled the Oscar Mike Edition in the garage out of the paint booth, and we're gonna pull the Subaru into the paint booth with lights. Although it is still kind of pouring down, not as bad right now, but we're gonna pull it into there, do a little bit more work, see what we could come up with. Got it pulled in here. As you can hear, the rain is just pounding down, but it's all right, it's all good. We want to
No problem.
Yeah, we really want to take this stuff out of here. Go ahead and peel this stuff off right here.
Take all this stuff out of here. See, this is what happens when you leave this tape on cars. It'll do that, and it's really hard to take it off. All right, let's start pulling this stuff out of here. I want to see if this side skirt's damaged.
Is it in good condition?
All clips.
What?
Clips, where'd they go?
They're probably in the vehicle. That's freaking awesome, dude.
We might need to repaint it or buff it. I don't know. We'll see. It
Yeah.
kind of has a little bit of scratches, but that's dude. Saved us right there like $300.
Got the fender liners. Yo, which one is this? Did they insurance company provide new fender liners?
No, this is just a new car, man. This is perfect, dude. Fender liners, dude, that saves us so much money.
I know, right? Door panel. What's that say? Inside damage.
We'll see. Kind of has a few scratches here. That's probably what they're talking about. But that ain't nothing.
I don't see any damage.
This is cracked. This little clip thing right
Oh,
here. But
really?
that's barely. Golly, insurance company, y'all crazy. We have
Another fender liner. That's what I was saying.
Be careful, be careful. You don't really want to damage the ceiling and stuff because it will poke. Dude, we're going.
I'm saying, is there like an extra fender liner? Because I know there's one under there or something. I don't
What do you
know.
mean? Why would there be extras? One in the back and one in the front.
Oh, we're missing the rear. I forgot.
Oh man,
Very nice.
perfect. Well, it goes this way. I wonder why they even took that off.
That's so weird, dude, that they started taking it apart. All that
I never
stuff.
understood that kind of stuff.
This rain really sucks,
Another
man.
molding. I don't know what that's for. Just gonna have to figure it out.
Probably, yeah, there ain't no telling what that's for.
Probably a door or something. Door molding. See how they get all twisted? That's not good. You want to go ahead and untwist them, let them sit out in the sun.
Yep.
Front left.
Front left. Man, they marked it for
They
us.
put an X here because it has a little pinhole.